What's up, guys? It's Sunshine. Montana of 300 was big dicking on Twitter and thinks he's so nice with the bars to the point where this dude is willing to throw up 500,000 bands to battle anyone willing to battle him in a rap battle. This is a cool sounding flex and stunt, but I don't think any rapper is going to take him up on his offer. Much like when rappers say they're gonna throw up 100,000 bands on a boxing match and then it never comes to fruition, that is what's going to happen here. Rappers love throwing up bands they don't have. Once you start big dicking, someone's gonna hop in a pissing match with you. Montana of 300's cockiness seemed to strike a nerve with King Von. The beef between Montana of 300 and King Von started sizzling up on Twitter. King Von's a real dude that's plugged in on the streets and has a lot of muscle. I don't know too much about the authenticity of Montana of 300, but he claims to also be plugged in. King Von, less than a year ago, got arrested for busting his chopper at the ops with Lil Durk and was charged with a drive-by shooting and attempted murder. Montana of 300 had hit song Fuck Her Brains Out that had a bunch of sorority girls twerking, but after that he has not done much of anything. Montana of 300 has been popping shit, claiming he's the best in Chicago. That is when King Von hopped in by saying, "I still don't know why 300 in your name. Which part of Chicago you even from? I was locked up when you was dropping shit, I guess. I never heard none of your shit." Montana of 300 doesn't bang, but he claims he used to move weight back in the day. King Von is a part of Lil Durk's OTF, which is part of the Black Disciples gang. I'm sure both of these dudes have the means to call a hit on each other. Hopefully these dudes realize the privileged positions they are in. They both are famous rappers that beat the odds and made it out of their city. They can stay out of trouble. The sky's the limit for what they could do with their careers. I hope nothing boils over from a Twitter beef stemming from big dicking. If you like this video, drop a like. Subscribe to my channel and expect more videos like